Hey guys, so I realized how horrible I look. I haven't completely gotten ready. Anywho, I just want to talk to you guys for a little bit. So I think last Saturday or last Friday, my grandmother had a minor stroke, and I live with my grandmother.
Yeah, but we don't know what happened especially because like everything is snowstorm bad. We have a G
So as you can imagine, that was not fun. It was very scary, and she's home now. She's doing better, I guess you can say. It's just that we found out when she had a minor stroke. This is the third stroke that she's had, and I'm getting her some ice cream right now because that's all that she eats is ice cream and cake, and we just found out she has diabetes. So a physical therapist is coming over later. Some other doctor came earlier. She has a lot of doctors coming to the house, and it's very frustrating and overwhelming because one, she's like on so much medication, and it's like she got upset yesterday because the nurse came over and was asking her all these questions about why she's on so much medication, and she gets frustrated. But I want to know why she's on so much medication as well. Like, it's ridiculous the amount of medication she's on, and I feel like it's not really healthy for her to be on that much medication. But I'm not a doctor and I don't know. I just know that these doctors are prescribing her stuff that sometimes she has like side effects to, and they send her back to the hospital and then they prescribe her the same medicine. Like, I don't understand. But we'll see you guys later. I just did my hair and it looks like crap. I was trying to do like this Audrey Hepburn hairstyle, but it didn't really work out for me. Oh well. I'm gonna take myself something to eat. It is freezing in my house and we're waiting for the people for the oil to come, so yeah. I'm 36 weeks in like 2 days. I wanted to put that out there. And really, hold on, trying to get my camera to cooperate, and it probably won't. It never does. Let's see if it. Okay. I have really hairy arms. I don't really crave any foods. Look at my stomach. It's huge. And I don't dress as nice as everyone else does on social media and being pregnant. But I do crave pickles. And I really shouldn't eat so much pickles. I eat like a whole jar of pickles every day. And that is the sad, honest truth. And I like a lot of pineapples. So this water is freezing. I eat a lot of pineapples. I was drinking a lot of orange juice. I'm cutting back. No, I'm not. I should. Trying to cut back on soda because soda is not good for you. Hold on. I just got a message. Well, yeah, I don't eat healthy at all. And I really don't care. Because yesterday I was watching a video on YouTube of some girl like come at people who don't eat healthy. You can eat whatever they want.
Ay, pues mira, yo no le da terror. Mira que ella me dijo, mira, te voy a traer el espejo porque la calle es mía, Hawthorne y Street, que cruzan ese doctor. Frisa. No la limpiaron, no la limpiaron.
Yo le mandé un mensaje a la muchacha de Fox 29, que estaban diciendo que si tiene la calle de eso, mandó un mensaje, te mandamos. Y acá vinieron y limpiaron la calle.
No, de verdad.
Yeah.
Sí.
Porque esto estaba llena.
Ajá, me imagino.
Is that what it's got?
And I think next week is supposed to snow again.
No, de verdad.
Ya ven Super Bowl Sunday. Yo creo que voy a tocar el día.
I hope not. I don't want to give birth in the snowstorm. Y eso que el día que vinieron para recogerla, dijeron que una muchacha que estaba embarazada tenían que recogerla.
Ay, también, me cago en la.
I think it's hot.
Okay, so I'm just getting crankier by the minutes because it's 8:25 and I haven't eaten since 12 midnight. Before that, because I wasn't supposed to eat anything after 12, and I know I'm not scheduled for an appointment today. I'm walking to take this 3-hour sugar test, so I couldn't eat or drink anything, and I know I'm going to be in there for 3 or more hours, and I'm going to be starving, and my mom is taking forever. I have no idea where she's at, so today is starting off to be a shitty day. I'm not in the mood. I'm really hungry. I'm not really hungry. I'm more so thirsty, and it's really annoying seeing all this food around, and I can't eat, and I can't keep putting this appointment or this walking off. So I'm gonna go today, just waiting for my mom. Hopefully she gets here fast. Gordo's here. My fat man. Say hi. Say hi. Stop. Here goes Scotty. Oh, our mom said that's dirty. She's gonna wash it. She hasn't washed it yet.
Okay.
She was saying that you're not full because I told her I didn't want to go past 37 weeks, and she was like, you have to. The baby's lungs aren't fully developed,
Yes, they are.
and something, I don't know, like,
Baby's fully developed by 37 weeks.
yeah. And then yesterday, I don't know, like, I know I was getting pains for a little bit, and it was like on and off, but then I don't know, like, I don't know if it's like because I'm anxious. Like last night I really couldn't sleep. Like I kept thinking I was getting pain, so I don't know what's going on.
Is he moving around?
Yeah.
As long as he's moving around, it's fine.
I just want to hurry up and give birth. Well, I don't know, but I know I could go for some macapuria, a potato ball, or like some pastelillos.
Wait, so you're just doing a walk-in?
It's a walk-in, but I'm gonna see if they could see me and tell me, like, cause I'm gonna be 37 weeks tomorrow. So I'm gonna see if they can tell me, like, if I'm dilated or anything, cause they haven't checked me, and the nurse put me for my appointment for like 39 weeks or like 38, and that's too far. Like I could give birth before that. And once you're 9 months, I think they're supposed to see you once a
They
week.
put that clacker thing in you?
Yeah, they did that in the beginning though.
I was about to
They did
shit
it, like,
myself yesterday.
Twice, I think. The thing that it opens your vagina,
Yeah, but I think it comes in different, like,
it comes in different sizes.
yeah, well, yesterday, I think they put, like, a really big one. I was about to really shit myself.
It doesn't really hurt.
Because you're talking about the one at Penn. The one at Penn, I know it's smaller, but this one was really big. The one from your phone, not really, it was big. And I started squeezing my butt cheeks because I thought it was gonna hurt.
Okay, hey guys, I'm in my laundry room. I'm just washing the baby's clothes and, you know, getting everything ready. My eyelashes coming off. Both of them are. They look horrible. Anywho, so I didn't really vlog much today. I was in the hospital all day today, and I did the 3-hour sugar test, and it was awful because when you take the 3-hour sugar test, you're not supposed to eat. Like, they told me that I couldn't have anything after midnight, so I didn't eat. And then I came in and I got there at like 10, and I got blood taken at 10:45, and then I had a drink that, like, whatever you want to call it, I don't know what it's called really. And then at 11, when I went to get my blood taken again, I don't know if I got up too fast, but I felt fine. And then all of a sudden I felt lightheaded, I felt like I was gonna pass out, and I felt nauseous. And my mom had to help me into the bathroom so that I can throw up, but I didn't throw up. I felt fine. It kind of went away after I drank a little bit of water. I could only have sips of water. And one of the guys who like registered me to, I don't know what his title is, but the one who let me in the back felt so bad that he gave me chocolate bars to eat after I was done the test. So I got blood taken at 10:45, 11:45, and 12:45. After 12:45, I already kind of knew what to expect, so I had a little sip of water, and then after that I got blood taken at 1:45, and after that I was done. Ran out of there, ate the chocolate bars, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's really all I did today. I was pretty much in the hospital all day. Then I had to go get my sister. So that's really it. I go in for my next appointment on Monday at 10:30 a.m. and I'll be 38 weeks. So no, I'll be 37 weeks. Excuse me. I'll be 37 weeks, turning 38 weeks on Wednesday. But for now, I've just been. Oh no, that's what I wanted to say. For now, once I turn 37 weeks tomorrow, I'm trying. And I know a lot of people don't agree with this, but I know a lot of women do it. Everything and anything, not anything, because I've heard women, they eat castor oil or they drink castor oil, and that gives you diarrhea, and I'm not trying to have that baby this bad. Like, if everything else fails, I will not even consider that. Like, that's just gross. But other than that, I am trying to speed up things and hurry up and have the baby because I'm anxious and I want to meet him. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.